Hello everyone, this is Shrawan Sir making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Karna Maths Academy. Today in this video we are going to solve one of the most important question from exponential equation, which is from class 10 mathematics. Here we go. Dear students, in this question we have to solve an exponential equation 2 power x plus 2 power minus x equals 4 whole 1 by 4. Dear students, the question is 2 power x plus 2 power minus x equals 4 whole 1 by 4. So at first we change the power of second term, which is negative, will make it positive. So 2 power x keeping as it is because the power is already positive. Now the power of 2 is minus x, which is negative. So at first we have to make it positive. 2 power minus x we can write as 1 by 2 power x. If we take the reciprocal of 2 power minus x, then the sign of power will change. The sign of power will change from minus to plus sign, which is equals to 4 whole 1 by 4. Dear students, now in the first term and in the second term, the term 2 power x is repeated twice. So let us suppose 2 power x as a. Let 2 power x equals to a. Dear students, now after supposing 2 power x equals a, the exponential equation will change in the form of a plus 1 by a equals 4 whole 1 by 4. Dear students, we have put the value of 2 power x equals to a. So when we put 2 power x value equals to a in the above equation, then we get a plus 1 by a equals 4 whole 1 by 4. We have put the value of 2 power x a. Here also we have put 2 power x value a. So our exponential equation is now a plus 1 by a equals 4 whole 1 by 4. Dear students, now we'll solve this equation, then we'll get the value of a. Then after replacing the value of a, 2 power x, we'll get the value of x. That means we'll get the required solution of the given exponential equation. Dear students, let us take the LCM of the first term and the second term. So LCM of the two terms we can write as a. The denominator of first term we can suppose as 1. The denominator of second term is a. So if we take the LCM of denominators, that means if we take the LCM of a and 1, then the LCM will get equals to a. Now a times a, we get a square, plus 1 times 1 we get equals to 1. Dear students, after taking the LCM, we have to divide the LCM by the denominators, or directly we can do cross multiplication also. If there is not any common factor in the denominator, then directly we can do the cross multiplication also. So a times a equals a square, 1 times 1 we get equals to 1. So dear students, after multiplying a with a, we get a square, plus if we multiply 1 with 1, then we get 1. Dear students, now this is the mixed fraction. It is 4 whole 1 by 4. So let's change it into p by q form. That means in the simple fraction. 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 1, 17 divided by 4. To change mixed fraction into p by q form, first we have to multiply this whole number 4 with the denominator. That means 4 4s are, we get 16. Then 16 we have to add with the upper term, that means numerator. So 4 times 4 we get 16. 16 plus 1 we get 17. So dear students, after changing 4 whole 1 by 4, we have got the fraction in the form of 17 by 4. So dear students, now let's do the cross multiplication. Or so if we do cross multiplication, we get 4 times a square plus 1 equals to 17 times a. That means we get 17a. Now let's open the bracket. 4a square plus 4 ones are 4 equals to 17a. Dear students, now we have to move all the terms to the left hand side. Or so after moving the term 17a to the left hand side, plus 17a will change into minus 17a equals to 0. Let's arrange the terms according to the descending power of a. So when we arrange the terms in the descending power of a, we will have 4a square minus 17a plus 4 equals to 0. Dear students, now 4a square minus 17a plus 4 equals to 0 is a quadratic equation. So let's solve it. Dear students, our quadratic equation is 4a square minus 17a 4a square minus 17a plus 4 equals to 0. So we can solve quadratic equation by various methods, by using the quadratic formula, by using factorization method, by using completing square method. So here we are going to factorize. We are going to solve this quadratic equation by the factorization method. So dear students, 4 4 are 16. If we multiply first coefficient of first term, first number and the last number. If we multiply first number and last number, the product will be 4 4 are. So dear students, according to the rule of factorization, the middle term we have to break down into two parts. So the product should be 16. So if we divide 16 by 1, we get two factors, 16 and 1. 16 plus 1 will get 17. So dear students, 16 plus we get 17 and 16 ones are 16. So according to the first into last method of factorization, we have got 4a square minus, now let's open the bracket, minus 16a plus so minus 16 times a, we get 16a, minus plus minus plus minus, so 1 into a we get a, plus 4 equals to 0. Dear students, now we'll take common from the first two and again we'll take the common from the last two, then we'll get the two factors. So if we take 4a common from the first two terms, if we take 4a common from the first two terms, then we'll have the remaining factors a, 4 4 are 16 minus, if we take common 1 from the last two terms, if we take minus 1 common, then we'll have minus plus minus, that means we get the factor a minus 4 equals to 0. Dear students, now let's take the common factor a minus 4 from the first part and the second part. So if we take the common factor a minus 4, then the remaining factor will be 4a minus 1 equals to 0. So dear students, after factorizing the quadratic equation 4a square minus 17a plus 4 equals to 0, we have got two linear factors. The first is a minus 4 and the second one is 4a minus 1. So let's do either or. So dear students, let's do either or. Either a minus 4 equals to 0 and the second factor is 4a minus 1 is equal to 0. So dear students, so we have got first equation a minus 4 and the second equation we have got 4a minus 1 equals to 0. Or by solving this we get minus 4, if we move to another side we get a equals to 4. Now let's put the value of a. The value of a is 2 power x. We have supposed We have supposed 2 power x equals to a. So now we are going to put the value of a as 2 power x. So dear students, if we put the value of a 2 power x, then we'll easily get the value of x. So this is again an exponential equation. To solve the exponential equation, we have to make the base same. So let's change 4 into base 2. So 4 means 2 power 2 because 2 to the 4. Therefore, x equals to 2. According to the rule of exponential equation, if the bases are same, then we can equate the power. That means power must be equal. So the value of x we have got 2, which is the first solution of the given exponential equation. Now if we solve the second linear factor, 4a minus 1 equals to 0, we get 4a equals to minus 1 moving to another side, it will change into plus. A equals to 1 by 4. We know the value of a is 2 power x. So let's put the value of a 2 power x. So if we replace a by 2 power x, then we get 2 power x equals to 1 by 4. Dear students, again this is an exponential equation. To solve an exponential equation, we have to make the base same. So let's make the base same. 2 power x equals to. So 4 means we can add 2 power 2 because 2 power 2 is equal to 4, or 2 power x. Now let's take the reciprocal of 1 by 2 square. So if we take the reciprocal of 1 by 2 square, we'll get 2 power minus 2. The sign of the power will change. Now this is an exponential equation. Bases are the same. See, bases are the same. We can equate the power. So the value of x we have got equals to minus 2. So dear students, by solving the given exponential equation, we have got the two solutions of the given exponential equation, which are x equals to plus 2 and x equals to minus 2. Hence x equals to plus minus 2 is the required solution of the given equation. So dear students, I hope you have understood how to solve exponential equation by changing it into quadratic equation and again factorizing the quadratic equation into two linear factors and again solving them. Then we get the required solution of the given exponential equation. So thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video with a new content. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.